niggas in the show. You know what I'm saying? It's all good, nigga. Get it set. Put this on the strip. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, yeah. 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 Yeah.
Fuck 'em all when I bang them all. From Inglewood to a city of Carson.
Yeah.
Every hood should be bringing the Alton. It's your lot more than what it's causing.
Yeah.
Chicken hawker, shit talking dog barker.
Yeah.
Close the scene and set up the lake walker. The crocodile blood walker, collar blocker, never know it if I do it deal with the creep walker. So,
Yeah.
I don't believe it. My flag on my shoulder, so it lays on my kid. The young people, I ain't manipulating, they can bless their clone while I bless my kid. So, give these rich niggas a song, please fuck, I fuck no fuck at all. Beat the weird make bitches with the play on the brick. Pop, sweet, young bitches.
Super Nintendo, Sega Genesis. Super Nintendo, Sega Genesis. Sega Genesis. Super Nintendo, Sega Genesis. When I was dead broke, man, I couldn't picture this. Kissing in green, money green, leather sofa. Got to ride the limousine with the chauffeur. Phone till about 2 G flat. No need to worry, like I got my handles back. And my whole crew's lounging. Celebrating every day, no more public housing. Thinking back on my one room set. Now my mom's in the act with me on the best. And she loves to show me off, of course. Smiles every time my face is up in the store.
Haters wanna fuck with the king. Why I gotta bang on you? Haters wanna fuck with me. Why I gotta bang on you? Haters wanna fuck with the king. Why I gotta bang on you? Haters wanna fuck with me. Why I gotta bang on you? Haters wanna fuck with the king. Why I gotta bang on you?